Hello everyone, in today's video we're in DeLand, Florida to check out an event at the new SunRail Station that is opening on August 12th, 2024. DeLand, Florida is located 40 miles north of downtown Orlando. In today's video we'll get to check out the new platform, explore a parked SunRail train, and see an Amtrak train buzz right through the station. Also in this video, I'm teaming up again with Rich from the YouTube channel Roadie with Rich.
Hey, thanks for watching Drone to Go. Roadie with Rich and my son Michael here. Check out our channel too. We love hanging out with Pedro, and we love doing stuff about Florida. Thank you.
I have a link to his channel in the description. Please make sure to check it out and leave a comment telling him I sent you. Now let's jump into this event. In preparation of the DeLand's station opening, the Florida Department of Transportation held two train tour events on July 27th and August 3rd, 2024. Here is some of the information that they were sharing at their tent. Please feel free to pause if you need more time to read. They also offered some free goodies to grab to help celebrate the SunRail's new northern expansion. Let's go check out the new platform. Here's a look at where you can buy tickets. This is their new system, which now offers mobile tickets, so if you plan to ride, you can now have an option to purchase your tickets in advance. This new station will be the 17th stop on the SunRail corridor. The train system currently operates through Volusia, Seminole, Orange, and Osceola counties. I do have a video guide about riding the SunRail, and I will link it for you in the description if you'd like to learn more. Now let's go explore the parked train. On this first level, you can find accommodations for passengers with mobility challenges and also provides adequate bicycle storage if needed. The second level provides additional seats and tables along with a quiet area. The upper level offers more seating and tables along with outlets for electronic devices. All three levels provide free onboard Wi-Fi. Here is a better look at the quiet area. Each car has a restroom located on the first level. Let's take a look inside. Across from the SunRail station is the Amtrak station. Let's check it out. This station opened in 1918 and then was later rebuilt in 1988. We were informed that an Amtrak Auto Train would be coming through the station and we should definitely stick around to see it. And I'm glad we did because let me tell you, this train was booking through the station and it was really impressive to be that close. that's going to wrap up this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, leave a like. And if you want to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you as always for watching, and have a good one.